everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. This is Rosni. Today I will show you pumpkin facial face mask, which is too much beneficial for skin and suitable for all skin types. If you use this face mask regularly, then you will get a beautiful and highly glowing skin. Don't go to the beauty parlor. You can get beauty parlors like skin at home and which has no side effects and long lasting. And I know pumpkin is available in everyone's at home. And thanks a lot those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. So let's start. And also watch the video till the end. So let's start. I have taken half pumpkin. I will cut pieces from it according to my face. You know, pumpkin seeds are also very important. So I will let them dry separately. See, I have cut out the pieces and I have also washed them very well. Now I will boil the pieces of pumpkin. See, it is totally boiled after 15 minutes. Now I will dry up the oats. So finally I have taken boiled pumpkin, almond oil, drying oats and lemon juice. See, I have grinded the oats. Now I will prepare the face pack. Now I will mix all the ingredients together and stir it well. So finally my face mask is ready. Let's start applying. First I will clean the face with raw milk. See, it is totally applied. Now I will use the pumpkin face mask. Pumpkin contains vitamin A, C and E and antioxidant which help fight sun damage and wrinkles. It also has fruit enzymes that help naturally exfoliate dead skin cells. Finally, it contains zinc and potassium to combat redness. Honey locked is moisture to keep your skin plump and glowing. Honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedies thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It many benefits oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it keeps the skin moist but not oily. Oatmeal helps treat acne. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to treat dry skin and dead skin cells. They have saponin which removes the dirt and clogs pores of the skin. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C and antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging and has astringent qualities. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation and fungi. See, I have totally applied it. Now I will leave it until dry. See, after 20 minutes it has totally dried. See the difference after washing. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell for latest update. Always be well. Take care. Bye.